Well, today I was
Chinese! You are Chinese!
sleeping and my weird friend is in the driver's seat.
More! Shut up!
She's very strange.
No, I hear you. May I hear you?
There she is. She look creepy, don't she?
Man, how dare you?
You should see her with her makeup on, man. She's scary looking.
Man, what you talking
That is
about?
her wig.
You jacking up your hair.
She ratchet?
Man, you shut up.
Man, you ratchet.
You nasty.
You ratchet.
You ugly.
You ratchet.
You ratchet.
You ragamuffin.
Ragamuffin soup. Ragamuffin soup. Ragamuffin soup. With the can of soda. With a can of beans. Say ragamuffin soup. Ragamuffin soup. Man, go. No. Man, I need to put my bandana on. Look. What you doing? I'm trying to put my bandana on. Then I want to be staring at my bald hair.
She ratchet. She wearing a wig, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, she ratchet. Oh. Man, get your ugly fingers out my video.
Man, I hate
Man, get out of this car.
I will.
Thank you. Much more pleasant now.
Oh,
Man, no.
I'm coming back.
Man, really?
Ragamuffin soup. Ragamuffin soup.
Get out of the
Ragamuffin
car.
soup with the side of soda.
Something's
Forget
wrong with
you.
her. I gotta. Please. She ratchet.
Oh, shut up.
Her ratchet self.
Man, I forgot my eyeliner. I forgot my lipstick. Oh, yes. Right.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll see you next time.